Mic check. Check. Mic check. Check.
Alright, that's enough mucking about. Now we do this for real. Battle Royale. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
What do we do? Now we're going forward.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Clear to engage all targets. Enemy UAV overhead.
With it.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Good. Every killer needs an accomplice.
Hostiles left. Get it done.
Can you feel them?
yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Sector fire position.
You'll make it to the next.
Done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier. Be advised,
That's
gas
not
is
easy.
closing in.
Do I look like an amateur to you?
All right, lads, let's get it done.
Sustaining fire. Don't you know who I am?
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
Enemy on top fire. Hostile in the area. Contact.
Contract updated. New objective identified.
So lucky.
Death. Trying to shoot me. Okay, get ready to move, yeah? Move.
Thank you.
Dead yet.
Move it.
I see you.
Target right here.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Gas is inbound.
Moving up there. Scratch my last. Contact. Hostile in the area.
This is the Sony Xperia Pro I, a smartphone with a 1-inch camera sensor on the back, the same sensor from the Sony RX100 Mark VII. It also has a 16 and 50 millimeter lens, but they're still working on the software today, so we'll review those later. You wish your camera had like anti-step iPhone 13 into focus. These new smartphone lenses are so powerful that they actually can blur the background out a little bit, but sometimes you have a nice background and you want it to be nice and sharp. The biggest difference between this and the iPhone is that this has an aperture that can shut down from f2 to f4. That's a 2-stop difference. Now I shut it down to f4. That closes the aperture, something I can physically see, and it also brings the background more into focus. That is something the iPhone cannot do. Okay, so far so good, but the first night I got it, I took it out for night photography and put it up against my iPhone 13. I'm testing. So
Boy, show yourself to show who gets.
Put your light down like they play this sound.
Hey, bro.
Bro.
Yeah. Your TikTok's a little long, man. Yeah.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Starts dancing.
Yeah. Alright, I wanna play that game with me. I'll absolutely demolish your ear, bud. I do that.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Hope you like surprises.
You're done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
did that.
But it hurt! But it hurt! Oh. Hey, y'all gotta follow me down on the leader.
Battle Royale. Got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone. Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemy team is tracking your location. Enemy UAV overhead. Alright, lads, let's get it done. Crew rest on your shoulders.
Man, what
Finish
the
mission.
fuck?
They say your soulmate's connection is on your mental phone. They say your soulmate's connection is.
Hey, I'ma fuck you, nigga.
Wear a vest on your chest. Bullet pro marriage tip.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Hey, you got load out.
Nah, botay. Bakbakan na.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Spotted some cash. Bingo.
The fuck is she doing?
Hey, we gotta go by load out.
Enemy lost track. You're safe.
Yeah, let's go.
I know, we got enough.
Oh shit! Rooftop.
People over there.
Ay, naka-zoom ba? Oo nga pala, ano? Thank you. Hindi ako napansin.
It's all up to you now. Go for it. Pull hard out. Turn to make 25 remaining.
Yam ka, boss.
Yeah.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
Everything you've seen me do is made possible by what you don't see. So you're not looking.
This is the up. We'll have high autofocus. Beginning of the video, a short USB-C cable. You'll remember we love using the Xperia Pro for on-the-go live streaming, so we can't wait to do that again with the Xperia. Pro. Capture audio as well. And because the Xperia Pro I itself is an HDR display, I can shoot in HDR
Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
and creating authentic bokeh. So let's go ahead and jump into the Photography Pro app just to show you guys what this is like. Low light conditions and creating authentic bokeh. So let's go ahead and jump into the Photography Pro app just to show you guys what this buddy and dual mechanical apertures. So a choice between shooting between.
Thank you.
Battle Royale.
Anyway.
Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving.
Claro.
Vendor mark. Enemy dropping into the AO. Your primary objective is to kill them all. Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Under fire.
I'm done. I can't see shit.
Waypoint marked. Move. There's my next victim. Over here. Time to play.
bokeh. So let's go ahead and jump into the Photography Pro app just to show you guys what this device is capable of. Because the mobile team here really worked closely with the imaging team to bring a lot of the similar to the newly updated menu system. We'll have capture audio. I can shoot a rear mono microphone that's right now as opposed to. So the beauty of having a headphone jack is that we can still that will be available. And it looks like it'll be connected via a short USB meant to replace any of our alpha cameras, but rather they want to make this out to be an additional solution to content creation, whether it's social media, external monitors. The price for a device alone is $1,799, and the vlogging kit is sold separately for $199. So the whole bundle will be around $2,000. A high price tag for a high enthusiast ultimate smartphone camera device. Pre-order begins October 20th. I believe. Pro I will have all the links tracking autofocus, which is autofocus glue if you need to capture something that isn't a human face. And if you need to be shooting any fast moving subjects, this camera can do 20 frames per second JPEG.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Burst with no blackout, which is pretty insane for a device.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
It's like this. And they got that technique from the RX100 Mark 7. And all these burst shots here came out sharp. The real-time tracking eye autofocus is really doing its job, and a lot of these shots here taken on the 24mm have incredible details. And the other lenses are no slouch either. At the time of recording, the 50mm wasn't quite ready yet, so I can't wait to see what that looks like, but check out some of these shots with the 16mm. If you're already an alpha user, the UI is gonna feel very familiar to you.
Set a drop point for your team, soldier. Gas is approaching your position.
There's
Move
the
to
crime
safe zone.
scene. Now to stack up bodies.
I've got any weird my audio right now.
Targets in the AO.
I'll pass you go.
Oh, it's right here. On me again. What the?
Down. One more. There's one more.
Back.
Oh fuck! On me! Hello. No way! I just shot a kid back. Yeah, I can hear the teammate. I can hear my game right here. There's stuff all the way. Somebody got me.
Thing back there.
Wait, I can hear you guys, but I have no game audio. What is going on?
What's that? Shield thing, right?
Enemy dropping into the AO.
On me?
No.
Under fire.
On to the ground. Wait, give me a second. I'll copy real quick. There's more kids. Other teammate.
On me.
Yeah, I know. I got a kill, buddy. They're over by the building. They're in these buildings. Down one.
Still.
I ended something. Bro, why? Come on, you guys. I gotta try to fix this. I can't hear any game audio.
Mic check.
No, I know you guys can hear.
I can.
Oh, right. Behind me.
25 remaining. Nicely done.
Yeah, I'm coming to help out. I just can't hear where other people are.
Right here.
Mark, please. Ping. I hit him a couple times. Why did? You're gonna have to trim, Jake. I'm getting to you.
Oh, he's
Jake,
back.
on me. Jake, bro, come on, please. He's so low, Jake. Just tap us. I got the teammate. You just worry about the guy.
Nice.
Get my back. For now, get my back, bro. What did I just say? I literally just said get my back.
Yo, you said kill the kid.
I said.
Going inside.
What is
You're
going on
everywhere.
there, bro? What is that?
Enemy took that one, but we'll be back to finish the job.
Even the menu system looks somewhat similar to the newly updated menu system that we've been using in their mirrorless line. And because they're taking mobile photography seriously, we have an option to shoot 12 megapixel RAWs. And we can directly import to apps like Lightroom CC for full control edits. We don't have to transfer to our computer and upload it to the cloud just to access it. We can do it immediately after capture. Okay, so let's talk video now. They have a newly developed app called the Videography Pro app, which is meant to be a lot more user-friendly compared to their Cinematography Pro app, which you can still use for that Venice color science look. And the crazy thing is they will have eye autofocus and object tracking in video mode as well. It's not quite ready to be demoed yet, but in case you've never seen it in action before, it's gonna be very similar to what we have in the alpha cameras. But what I can show you is a little bit of that 4K 120 frames per second, which this device can capture natively. The footage looks great from a few samples that I've shot so far on a gimbal, and the 4K 120 does capture audio as well. And because the Xperia Pro I itself is an HDR display, I can shoot in HDR mode and get a full preview of the video as I'm shooting. Pretty neat. So the Xperia Pro I has a rear mono microphone that sits right above or to the side of the 24mm lens, and right now there's a car that is going by. But what's nice about the rear mono microphone is because I'm talking directly to the mic, it's capturing me a lot better as opposed to the traffic that is going by right now. So the beauty of having a headphone jack is that we can still connect an external microphone option. We're currently using a wireless lav system right now, so how does this sound? We do have cars that are currently going by, but my voice is much more honed into the mic that is attached onto it. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there will be an optional external logging monitor that will be available with the Xperia Pro Eye. And this will allow us to take full advantage of the 1-inch sensor for selfie photos, or to get a step further, logging or live streaming, because this technically is also a 5G device. The way that it works seems to be like a modular kit. We have the phone mount that has a magnetic backing, so a lot of modules will stick on. And it looks like it'll be connected via a short USB-C cable. On top of the clamp, there seems to be a cold shoe mount to attach the mic, and the mic can be connected to the monitor via a 3.5mm jack. So I'm speculating we can save our headphone jack on the phone for audio monitoring. And the Bluetooth tripod grip looks like it will be compatible with the Xperia Pro Eye as well. On that note, while this can be our sole device, it's not meant to replace any of our alpha cameras.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Battle Royale. Alright, soldier, mark the drop point for your team. Whatever, gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Bro, we keep going security.
What you got on security? That's right. You got nothing on. UAV? Diamati? FFAR. That's
Bro, look at this black.
What?
Nothing.
Bro, I remember what I told you, bro. I'm steady getting the FFAR and Diamati, bro. I
Like
got
what?
it right
What do
now
you mean?
already. Like,
Oh, bro,
like
look it
I
up.
already have it picked up in my.
That's crazy.
You almost got enough, bro. Another UAV. Drop your money real quick.
I don't know why I used that. My bad.
That means that pull up real fast, boy.
Shut up. So like fucking Peter.
That's just nice.
Assault rifle here.
I've been watching a lot of American Dad. I actually like it, cause I think it's way better.
Hey, so you wanna go to loadout?
Yes, bro. Yes.
Oh yeah, let's go to loadout. Come over here. Damn.
Just testing.
Can't believe I just said that.
I fucking weak.
Alright, we gotta dip right now, boys.
Dip.
That ring's gonna pull up.
Go fast as fuck, boy.
Fast as fuck, boy. Don't tell me. Pulled up behind
Wait, what?
me right in here.
Wait, what? Dude, the car?
Don't let him stay him out. What are you doing?
Get him! Damn, what are y'all doing?
That boy's laughing so hard. He was laughing so hard.
Yo, he went on the bench and ran me over, bro.
Move her here.
You see something?
You're a very lucky man, Devon. You're a very lucky man.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I'm over here.
Anyone use that?
I forgot to drop it.
Are you good, cuz? You good, cuz?
Hey, Deschamps.
What's up?
What's back? What's cracking with the blood?
What's cracking lacking? A week.
Nice.
Hold out over there.
Have I thought?
I just fucking pooped my pants.
You shit at your pants? Well, I played like
God,
that.
that smells so bad. Fuck.
Dude, sometimes your farts be smelling good to you, though. That's a fact.
Yeah.
So addicting, huh?
Oh, yeah.
That smell?
It's so addictive. It's so addictive.
That smelly
Turns you on.
smell.
That
Dude, where should
smell?
we go, bro? We gotta make a plan, bro. We gotta make a plan.
Loadout drop headed your way.
There's a ghost.
Yeah, I have ghosts. I mean, I was thinking about getting a different, like a...
Hop on ghost?
What? No, I have ghosts. I was thinking about getting like a Mac 10 or some shit.
Inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Like Call of Duty, they got on Call of Duty Ghosts.
Bro, look at this body, bro. Do you see this, bro? Do you see this, bro?
Destination marked.
You see this shit, bro?
I see
Bro,
your
look
mom.
at this. Bro, no, you gotta look at this, bro. Look at this, bro.
It's fine.
Bro, no, you gotta look at this, bro.
Alright. The guy will look. Damn. He said, nigga, you gotta look at, you gotta look.
Hurry up, it's gonna disappear, bro.
I'm Mac
I
10
know
in
you feel it.
FFR.
You can already feel it, it's gonna disappear.
Marking 25 remaining. Nicely done. Ganto done. Have I thought? Ganto done.
AT mine primed and waiting.
Bro, what are you talking about? Where is it?
Right here, bro.
Going
You
strong.
see this, bro?
Where?
Do you see this?
Where? Oh my god, sorry. This is what happens when we... Dude,
Where they
Dude,
hit you
this-
from?
This one's mine.
Marking waypoint coordinate.
It's still there too, bro. It's still there, bro.
Marking waypoint
dude, I'm not going back there just to get killed, bro.
No, bro. Did you see the fucking... Did you see the legs that are sticking out the ground right there? You see that?
Move her here.
There's
Dude,
that
I don't
only
know.
on my screen. Right
Dude,
there
it's
on
only
my
on your
marker.
screen, bro.
Victim
It's only on
spotted.
your screen.
Legs sticking out the ground.
You are mine. Gas is inbound.
The word is... Pulling up on decon or what?
The enemy has been through. They took everything.
This one's mine.
Enemy UAV overhead.
How are they
Dude, he's not
steady
dying.
sneaking up like that, bro?
They're not dying,
Requesting
bro.
recon. Looking for prey.
The AO.
Calling in death is what I do.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy. Strike inbound.
Oh man.
Ah,
Dejan, don't go in. Dejan, don't go in, bro. Wait till
go
we roll.
inside.
What did I say?
That's the 20 down. Still standing. We lost that one, but we'll come back stronger next time.
That perfect view of me, bro.
We need tagging shotgun ammo.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Get yourself to proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Right, that's enough mucking about. Now we do this for real. Battle Royale. Be advised, gas is closing in.
Hang on.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Up to you now. Go for the win. Targets are up. Get to work. Finish the mission. Enemy soldier incoming. Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Here, found it for Elo.
Scavenger contract located. Located on a bounty contract.
Clear to engage all targets. Enemy soldier incoming. Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns redeployment.
Damn.
Welcome to the gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. Pay attention, you'll be out there soon. You can practice your aim while you wait. Taunting your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is a word of stone. Your teammate's done in. They're returning to base. Time for a bit of argy-bargy. Get yourself sorted, you're up next. Your teammate got a proper sorting. We're sending them home. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over. Sort them out or capture the objective.
Ah.
We're sending you back to base.
I'm hit!
Your team can still buy you back if they have the cash. We lost that one. We'll come back stronger next time. Enemy soldier incoming. We're holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up.
Yeah, we got mics.
Yep.
All right. Got one. Yeah. All right, we got Kane too. Chaos. Opponent chaos. Hear that mic, bro. No, you don't. If you don't, you're a noob. Let's go. motherfucker took my gun.
Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off.
Oh, right. Let's go back. On that ping.
Battle Royale. You've got gas closing in fast.
You guys
Get
good
to
with
the
that?
safe zone.
Bounty contract.
Alright, purple's good with that.
A bounty? Hunting lone victims is what I do.
I can use that.
Right.
I'm just letting you around down.
Yeah, I get you. You're good. Let's go get it. We got guys. We got guys.
Hell no, bro.
I'm going over there.
One team.
Yo, to your
Going
left. To your
straight
left.
to. Oh shit.
This one's mine. There's my next victim.
We got guys.
Yeah.
Are they on us?
I think there's two team in the station.
Enemy
Yeah, there's
team
two
is
teams over
tracking
there. I
your
saw
position.
that.
There's another
what
one
the
over
fuck?
here. Everywhere.
Oh, blue died over there. I thought there was a guy on us.
This is the Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy. There's a fight kicking off. Get yourself sorted. You're up next. Listen
got
up,
sniper.
soldier. Win here and you return to the front
It's a
line.
DMR here.
But if you lose, you're done. You're up, soldier. Now go sort the fucker out. This is that one. We're sending you back to base. It's not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
Damn, blue already? Yeah, nobody looped it. Yo, purple, don't push yet, don't push yet.
I'm just scoping and trying to. Yeah.
Okay, just checking. Oh, okay, somebody already got a fucking UAV, are you serious? Yeah, they're on the loadout right now fighting. Let's try and pick them off. Let's peel left with purple. You good with that, green?
Yeah.
Group. Green, push with us. Let's go, boy. Alright, purple, let me keep in my line of sight so I can help snipe for you. I'm gonna give you some cover.
I see one on roof.
Which roof? Ping him. Oh, there he is.
Eyes
There's
on
two of them.
right
Yep, there's
there.
two. Downed
I
him.
don't got the sights. I'll just stay in cover. Move forward.
I killed one.
Ooh,
They see me.
alright.
They see me. I'm armoring up.
Eyes on
They
shooter.
nailed me with something. Okay, I'm back in the fight now. They just bought a loadout. They're behind the building.
Moving.
Dude, you gotta be shitting me right now. Yeah, he's got a sniper. He's about to get me. Never mind, I'm out of his line of sight. Let them come to you.
Mover spotted.
Movement.
Staying in fire.
Movement.
What? I downed one. I downed one. So there's only two of them. I downed him over here.
Oh,
Taking shots.
on me, on the roof.
Like that.
Oh, damn. Got one, downed one and killed one. Tons of bitches. At least you put up a fight. Bring it back. Damn. We're not getting handled today, boys. Go fucking rocket. Fucking butt. Bitch. I got a good stun on yo ass. Oh, motherfucker. Okay. So we got a supply run there. What do you guys want me to do? Get supply runs or get a most wanted?
Does anyone need this?
Check if it's looted.
Check if it's looted. You know this spot is looted. Oh shit! Wait, there's no cars here. I need someone. I need a place with a car.
There's a chopper.
Fucker.
You can steal their chopper.
I'll go for that scabby. Don't bail on me yet, guys. Oh, this place has not been looted. Do it. Damn, there's not even a loadout near me that blows.
Marking aid station. Marking aid station.
How far away is it? 300 meters? Okay, I'll finish the scavenger first. And I'll grab that Bertha and then come get you guys. I'm gonna run so fucking slow with this thing. Grab that last. Oh, shut up. No scat. No, you don't.
I'll drive.
Here, I'll go buy back for you first, actually. Here, give me a ping. Give me a ping. You guys land, go to that loadout. I'll meet you there. Oh shit, somebody was just here. What the fuck? Damn. Oh, damn it, that's a trap. This is a trap, homie. Motherfucker. Yo, give me a different one. Give me a different one. Give me a different one. Thank you. I'm gonna buy you guys first before I finish that scavenger. Oh my god, bro. I'm so fucked right now. God, there were guys here.
This is always like one of the sketchiest ones.
Okay, I'm gonna go. You guys land on loadout. I'm gonna finish the scavenger.
You say it's safe in loadout?
Sorry, I can't hear you, man. One sec. Damn, this Bertha is fucking loud. And I'm about to please complete the scavenger now.
Contract complete. All supply
Put your money together if you can and get our other guy.
Gas moving in.
Where's the
Going
bus
to load out.
station? Are we meeting up in this place?
I'm going to the loadout right now. I have a
Let's just wait
Bertha,
for
I can
him.
pick you up.
Disregard lost.
Jailbreak.
Great.
So we're gonna stay here.
You want to stay here? Okay, you guys stay here. I'll go buy our guy. Oh god, I just got. Did somebody shoot me? Or is that the car?
Nah, the
Where's
car's
the
on
car?
you.
It was the
Motherfucker, that's bullshit. Alright, yo, I got an armor box.
Yeah, can you...
Here, it's gonna be inside here for you guys.
Yep.
Right there. I'll be back. Oh, Bertha. You got a Bertha.
Truck incoming.
Yo, Kane, are you back? Oh, we don't even need to buy him back. We're good.
Yeah, it's a jailbreak. That's why we're staying here.
I just realized that. My bad. Alright.
Oh shit! Northwest.
Fuck yeah.
I got one more.
Got him.
We're still here?
We good?
There's one
You
more.
take them all out?
I
Okay.
think he just bailed. Because they just realized they got fucked.
AT mine, primed and waiting.
Oh, they got demolished.
They have a loadout.
One of them was a PC player.
Anybody
Whatever
got-
he played. What kind of ammo you need?
Marking armor.
Small.
You need small?
The
Yeah,
AR.
the one I want. I need that shit too.
Small.
Small.
Hey,
He's dirty,
GG,
he's
but
dirty.
I was fucking shooting at orange, dog. I fucking thought you were one of them.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I was over here blasting.
There's
away,
a box
hit
on
fires,
top of this.
And the homie was fucking
Behind top of
blasting
where?
orange.
Right here, I got it.
Fucking
Oh.
dead.
Oh, a box.
Alright, I got a
No,
weapon.
my green. Mine.
Enemy
Hey,
UAV
get the fuck
overhead.
out of here.
Let's go. I can buy a UAV.
Enemy UAV
Oh, I got a
overhead.
sniper. Perfect. There's a nice crick here if anybody wants it.
Here,
haven't
there's
done too good.
ammo for a sniper over here.
Yeah, I'm good on sniper. Does anybody need AR?
No, I'm
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, I'm full right now.
Yeah, I got AR right here. I got 120.
Mid-caliber here.
Hey,
I think
haven't been
I'll
playing too
take
good
some.
lately, but add me up. Add me
Oh,
up.
gee.
Just for the fuck of it, because I need some players.
You guys wanna play
Anybody
again after
finds a
this,
better
or?
sniper? Yeah, for
I
sure.
gotta go check the door. I'll be right back.
That was some good recovery, y'all. We got her done.
Add you guys up.
Oh, we got a Bertha right there. There's a full team on there. I'm gonna try and snipe him.
Got gas
Oh,
inbound.
I downed
Safe
one!
zone
Oh my
relocated.
god!
Nice.
Where?
I downed him on the fucking Bertha. Holy shit.
Damn, all the way over there?
Yeah, it was right there. That was, how many meters is that? 300 meters? Damn. That was good shit. Woo-wee. Alright, can I get my kill? Can they let him die, please? Damn, that was such a good sniper shot. Oh, they just bought a loadout too. Yep, they're right there.
Cancel loss. Negative. Cancel
Because there's the Bertha and everything too.
Vendor marked.
cash.
Should I go buy something?
Just wanna get a ghost. Are you guys on ghost already, or?
Get ghost.
Yeah, I'm running
I need
ghost.
to get
Yep,
ghost.
they're running. They're moving towards that buy. They're right here.
Enemies in the area. Disregard left. Got gas
I can
moving.
buy over here.
Yeah, I need ghost.
Here, here's the money right here.
You guys want to get another loadout?
They're going towards that buy.
Yeah, if we can
let's
go
to
to the
that
buy.
Yeah, let's get it. Let's get another loadout. I'll roll with you, green. I need a different sniper. I need one with the fucking silencer. Oh, hey, yo. Let's go underneath. Let's go here.
Alright.
Let's go here. You can go underneath some shit here. Yep.
Oh, damn.
There's you can ascend.
Oh, shit.
No, don't jump.
Oh, shit.
You have to ascend. You can't jump, right? Oh, my God. Oh, they're on us. They're on us. They're coming here, too.
Oh, shit.
My God.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Back up, back up.
No. Watch the ascension. Ah, you said.
You fucked up, son.
Yeah, you got fucked up.
That was a big mistake.
I don't know if there's
Don't
any other
push
way
by
down
yourself.
Alright, let's keep moving, though.
No. We gotta watch this. Two of us should watch this. The other two go scope this place out.
Push.
Don't
Yeah, I
sense
don't have
them.
anybody on heartbeat above us.
They
probably already
probably have
ghosted.
ghosts. Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Alright,
have
I'm
ghosts
moving.
too. I'm good to go.
Let's go get a
Jump in the
ghost
ammo
then.
box right here in this corner.
Tagging supplies.
Take that.
Here we go, UAV. I'm gonna pop the
Ammo?
UAV.
Yeah, do it, bro.
All right, pop it.
Where's the exit?
UAV overhead.
Yeah,
Where's the exit?
Right here?
Hold up.
I don't know if they're all running ghosts, so I'm down.
Let's assume that they
one
are.
guy. Damn,
Here?
dude,
Alright,
this place
we-
is a fucking maze.
Oh, right here, right
Fuck is
here.
that?
I found the
Oh,
exit.
this is
This from the
Nazi
update?
territory. Yeah, this is from the update.
Oh, there's someone in there by the buy station. Got it. In this building.
Oh, there's an opening here. Okay.
Watching our back.
If you see a sniper shot for me, let me take it.
Oh, that wasn't that far.
I'm moving over here.
Moving.
I have another ammunitions box for later, so let me know if anybody's desperate for ammo later.
Someone's on that blue building.
All right, Green, go get it really quick. Oh, I heard a
Alright,
gunshot.
cover me.
Heard a
Someone's
sniper shot.
sniping me. I don't know from where though.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Another ammunitions box here.
Just be careful with snipers.
All right, Green. We should honestly just grab it and bail.
Throw it
okay,
in the.
Go outer circle, guys.
We're in the middle. Almost in the middle.
Okay, I got my sniper.
We're good, we're good.
On Milano. Let's go fuck shit up.
Alright, my turn.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Claymore set.
Should I buy a UAV right now, or should I buy precision?
UAV probably.
Alright, I got ghosts.
They're right in front. They're right next to us. Here goes UAV.
Friendly UAV
They have
overhead.
at least one guy in there.
Wanna go get him? I think he's at the rooftop.
You might
Yeah,
have
here,
homies,
one sec.
but-
Let me try and see if I can get a
Oh,
sniper
good.
shot
I'll
on him.
Let's push it.
Got gas moving in.
It might be a one-man team.
His homies are probably
he's-
ghosted.
I think she's
Yeah,
on,
it's probably a
she's on
trap.
the rooftop.
Movement.
Second floor.
Was he right there? In the window?
Yeah, he
Maybe.
just popped out the window.
Yeah, I think he's going up top now.
Are you guys pushing
I can't
or?
tell if he's running. I'm giving you sniper cover, but I can push with you if you want.
I'm in this bitch.
I'm by the entrance.
Alright, everybody push in the building. Push in the building. Let's go, Green.
Going low garage door.
You're going garage door? Okay, I'm right behind you.
Shit.
Checking heartbeat, checking heartbeat. He's still in here.
Oh,
He's on this side somewhere.
Enemies in the area.
yeah.
Nope, he's in the middle now. He's running. He's running. He's in the middle. He's not on the side. He's not outside.
I'm outside.
Yeah, he's right on me. Right on me. Orange guy. Orange guy. He's coming down.
Don't rush it. Don't rush it.
I'm the guy
He's with me,
above
he's
you
with
guys,
me.
guys. I'm the guy above you guys.
You on
You
second
are?
floor?
He's here.
Ping him.
He's
ping
right
where
on
you
top
think
of us.
He's on your radar.
He is
Third floor.
right here.
Enemies in the area.
Alright, then he's
He's
on the
right.
roof, dog.
Yeah, he's on the roof. We can't get him unless somebody's got stuns.
It's probably
I got
better.
a fucking flash.
I have a flash.
Got him. Yep, he's up there.
Go go.
Oh, he stunned me. He stunned me. Oh, shit.
I got you. I got you.
Somebody pick me up. Somebody pick me up. Watch that. Watch that.
Watch that. Watch the shoot.
Enemy UAV
Going up. Going up. Did he jump off?
Go, go, go.
Yeah,
go.
I think he did.
He ran. He ran.
He's running. He's running
Closing.
south.
Get to the new safe zone.
Get his ass.
The building.
He's right below me. He's right below me.
25 remain.
I think he's going north now.
I broke his
Airstrike.
armor.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Go back down.
I don't think his precision will get me.
Oh.
That precision didn't get me in here.
Yeah, go back down, guys.
He's on. He shot me down from
He's
the
right.
east.
He's right below me.
He's next to
right
blue.
below me. He's right below orange and purple. This motherfucker is so annoying. Let's go get him, purple. Let's fuck his ass up. He's right there. See his cracks. Bitch, we got him.
Incoming,
Team wipe.
incoming.
Good. Team wide.
There's an armor satchel here.
Oh shit. So much on me. On me below.
what's that? Oh,
First
fuck,
floor,
you
first floor.
serious? First floor? Alright, yo, purple, get to the top. Get to the top.
Losing ground.
I want some team. Oh, there's a. Oh, they're coming for their loadout. They're coming for their loadout, guys.
Oh, there's
shit.
one in the gas station because they set off my fucking claymore. There's one in the gas station.
We got guys. We got guys right there.
Enemies in the area.
And one at gas.
They got guys right there. They're looking.
Let's go down, guys. Fuck it. Let's hold down this fucking third floor.
Got a team wipe. Got a team wipe.
Let's hold down this third floor.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yeah, I'm trying to distract them for y'all right now, but they got me pinned. Yeah, it's one guy.
I'm gonna watch the stairs.
I broke his armor. I think they're pushing us. Where do you guys want to push? Left or right?
Let's hold this down right here.
I'm by the garage. First floor.
I'm at the second floor.
I'm on the roof.
I'm on third floor.
On the second
Alright, we
floor.
got 4 teams left.
Gas is closing. Get to the
Somebody
new safe
closed
zone.
the door in here. I don't know who.
Yo, we could go there and we'll be in a really good spot.
Let's move.
Red is closing
Hang on a
in.
second. Damn, they're camping the loadout.
Yeah, I seen that.
Yep, there's another team wipe.
One in the distance, one in where the fuck over there.
Yeah, there's a full team moving that way right now.
I'm gonna
We
move.
should
I'm
move
gonna
left.
I'm going down.
Move left. Let's
Yeah,
move
move
left.
left.
Oh,
Let's
guys
go
right
left.
there.
Buy station. Buy station.
Go to the buy. Wipe them out.
I downed one.
Down one.
Down second one.
Killed him.
Got the.
There's another one.
All right.
There's another one.
I think he just
Unless you
landed
guys
on the
got
roof that I was just on.
Move in position.
Yo,
He
move
went over
purple.
there to
Move
that house.
purple. Yep, he's right there.
It's in the orange.
Get in the circle, guys. Come on.
Go purple. Oh shit, are they
Oh,
behind
fuck.
you?
Behind us. Behind us. Behind us.
Oh, behind.
Rooftop.
Still there?
Where they at? Where they at?
I got him reviving. I'm reviving.
What the hell? Someone's in the house.
No, what? How did he get me?
Come on.
Oh my god, he was on the roof. He jumped down and got me. It's that one guy. It's that one guy. Motherfucker.
What?
That we got fucked by one guy.
That was my stupid ass fault, dog. I choked on that.
You're good. I
Good shit,
shouldn't have
though,
pushed him on
guys.
myself.
Yeah,
You guys down to play again?
yeah, we can do it again.
Yeah, add me up and invite me. Yeah, we'll only play again with you guys.
Hey.
Get yourself to proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon.
Yo, I think they did play again. Let me invite them. One more. Is that Kane? Is that Kane or?
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Missing one
We're
more.
trying to run another?
I think that's Kane, right? Kane?
Yeah. I think I just gotta send him an invite. Yep, just sent him an invite.
Nice.
Dang, man, we got really fucking close. We just got dicked over by one guy.
It's the other guy from the building that we came from and the one in the house.
Yep.
Got barbecued.
That Milano is really good.
Milano?
Yeah, if you guys haven't tried the Milano yet, I would really give it a try. That thing is crazy accurate with like no recoil.
Milano. I don't have a loadout like that.
Oh yeah, it's the whatchamacallit. It's under SMGs. Black Ops guns.
Sure if
Why isn't Kane joining me? What's up, man? Come on, Kane, we need you.
Kane. Gonna invite.
I know, I've sent him an invite a few times already. I want to run the KSP.
No.
Tangina Mo, who's that?
I'm Levi.
You're Levi?
Yes.
Sorry,
Like
we're waiting
like
for
from
one
Attack
more.
on Titan? Ooh. Hey, Kane, what's up, man? What you doing? Are any of you guys
This whole
friends
time
with
I
him?
was talking, and I was on mute.
Were you on mute even during the game?
No, not during the game.
Oh, okay. I was about to be all like, damn, dude.
But I friended Kane. I'm sending him invites, but he's not joining.
Yeah, no, I'm already. He just friended me and I accepted it, and he's not joining my invites either.
You want me to invite one? I want to try one.
Yeah, let's try. Yeah, try getting one invite. Let's go.
I'll try one if it's available. It's joinable, but
Yeah. I did pretty good in that game. 1800,
not
6
me.
kills. Only died once,
I didn't get a
twice.
kill. I didn't get even. Yeah, I got 0.
It's okay. Redemption this game.
0.
You only did 153 damage. Oh my god.
How do you check that?
My friend
If
Yamati.
you do the left trigger and you go to scoreboard, that's the previous game.
Yamati.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, left trigger for match summary, and then you just go straight over to scoreboard. All right, Yamati Uwu.
Yep.
You ready to go?
Yes.
All right,
let's go.
I guess Kane abandoned us. Boy, you had to take a really long shit.
We're holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up. Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off. Enemy soldier incoming. Battle Royale.
Let's go.
Gas is approaching your position.
We're going.
Move to the safe zone.
PlayStation, understood.
All right, we're looking clear-ish. Yep, nobody. I don't see anybody.
All right, man, let's get it done.
Loot it up. Got an armor box.
Nice.
I'll throw it down when we all regroup. I have another armor box here.
Body armor here. Sniper rifle here.
I'll take that. Oh, someone's coming. Oh.
Yeah, let me grab that sniper. Wait, who's coming where?
Oh, he's kind of far. He went to the tower.
Okay, I'll grab that sniper. Or, did you want that blue?
Oh, my bad, bro.
You grabbed it? Oh, I just want to make sure you're
Yeah.
you keep it. You're good.
I got the other armor box.
Okay, I'm gonna throw mine down right now. I got one right here, boys.
Movement.
Wear a vest. Save
You see anybody, blue?
Wait, one.
You down him?
I'm right there, broke your armor.
He's behind the car.
Broke again.
He went up into the tower. Fuck it. God damn it. There's those guys that they're fighting. Oh. God damn it. Are you serious right now? Not like this, man. Motherfucker. Yo, Green, if you can get to me really quickly, I can survive. Come on, come on.
Oh, shit.
That bitch. Can't believe he kept going after me after the end there.
Where the fuck are they, bro?
I'll come back. Yeah, we shouldn't have put... We got greedy.
Surviving earns them redeployment.
Yeah, green and blue, if you guys could bail, bail.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Airport. Are they here?
Mark some gear.
Yeah, they're over here. God, this fucking conquer, bro.
What? Oh, I thought somebody... Dude. No. I cannot believe I just lost that fight. That is bullshit. I can't...
Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return
Shotgun.
We might have to run one again.
Lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. We're heading back to base.
All right, blue.
It's not over yet. Your team
Redemption
can still
time,
buy
just
your
like that,
release.
just like last game. Let's do this time. Oh wait, he wasn't there for that.
There's one more.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, damn.
What happened to?
All right, let's try this again. Let's not get greedy this time. All right, here we go.
What happened to the other guy? Oh.
Kane?
Oh. Okay, I thought
we good?
someone left. Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Oh.
warm-up. We'll be deployed soon.
Oh shit. No. Oh, he tagged me back. Bitch. Let's go. I tagged his ass back.
Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
This is gonna be a funky one.
Alright. Let's do this.
I don't want that scavenger. Yeah, let's go for that one. Yeah, I'm feeling that scavenger.
Moving. Battle Royale.
It's a bit far, but we could make it once we get further down.
Let's go get it.
Yep. Alright, bail. Bail right when you get to the stadium. Actually, bail right. Oh, fuck it, whatever. Do you think no?
What?
Oh, shit.
What?
Motherfucker.
On the way back?
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, pull back, bro. He's shooting. Level 13.
Did he hip fire you?
Yeah.
You got a cheater?
Be there.
There's my next victim.
Oh my god. I'm already getting shot at the fucking sky. This is bullshit. Way too much of this. Fucking getting pissed. Oh my god. No. Oh, this is no bueno. Yeah, I'm landing like right here. I'm going for that scavenger dog. Is there a car near me? Motorcycle over there. Fuck that.
Disregard left. Alright,
There's a box
let's
right
get
here.
it done.
Oh, there's snipers right here. Holy shit.
I see you.
He's up on the roof?
Oh shit. That's on me.
I downed him. You're good, Blue. I
By the
downed him.
roof?
Yep, on the roof.
Nice.
I don't know if his teammates are about to get him, though.
Yeah.
Oh, I got two guys right next to me.
I have time to escape.
I don't know if they see me. Fuck, I think they see me.
I'm right behind you.
You're right behind me. Alright, let's go.
I have one team on mine.
Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
Let's go this way.
Oh, someone's following
Yep.
us.
Get up. Get upstairs. Let's go. Ah, shit. Did we get the scavenger? Oh, no, somebody else got it.
nobody.
Man, this fucking pussy.
Yep, somebody else got that damn scavenger.
I'm moving.
Guess that was a bad call for me, boys. Got a cluster strike. You on the roof, Blue? Dang, that guy got picked up on that roof that I downed.
Yeah. Someone revive him.
Oh, Purple, you good? Purple, come to the roof. Go to the roof. Go to the roof. Right below you. You guys need me?
Come on.
Guy coming up.
Oh, so, one over here, one over here.
He just stunned me, gassed me.
Oh shit.
I hit him though. Downed him.
Crap.
No!
That gas fucked me up.
Yes.
You're up next,
Yeah.
mate. Get ready.
Dang, man. You're getting pooped on.
Getting destroyed.
Dude, somehow I muted all of you guys. Okay.
Chaos. Why do you
Did
keep
you guys
hurting
hear
our
me?
feelings like that? Yeah, I can hear you.
Now I can hear you.
We're getting pooped on.
This whole time I was gonna say there's a fucking claymore right there.
Listen up,
Oh,
soldier.
shit.
Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Sort them out or capture the objective. You got your ass kicked in that one. We're sending you back to base.
Can't win.
If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
Nice.
There we go. Alright. So we got a supply run there. Got, alright. Yeah. So is there a car there? There's a car there. Alright, let's do that. Oh wait, can anybody find me a scabby really quick?
Scabby.
No, it's not you, scabby. Fuck that. Fuck that.
Right
Oh
there.
shit, there's guys there. There's guys right on that thing. Alright, I'll grab that. I'm gonna grab that scavenger, yo. Oh, damn it. Nope, there's guys there. Oh my god. This place is hot. What the fuck?
Does anyone need this?
That's a bounty. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. I'm gonna show up this right now.
Does anyone need this?
Oh my god, there's hella people everywhere. I need a ride. Oh, money.
Get to that ride.
Yep, thank you. I almost fucked that up for a minute.
Ride.
Okay. Hang on a second. I need to resituate. Okay, so I'm not going for that. I'm
Try to
not
go on
going
the
for that.
tunnel, bro. There's a lot of crate over there.
Alright. Should I go for that supply or somebody give me one? Wait, where the fuck is it?
I'm moving. Disregard that.
I might have to grab that first.
To load out.
Oh shit, no!
Someone's waiting in it.
Fuck! Those dirty bitches. Sorry guys, my bad. I shouldn't have gotten
Alright.
greedy. Oh, I feel so bad. I let you guys down.
Worries, man.
Alright, let's try this again. Chaos, do you have us muted?
Chaos?
I think you do.
Chaos. Mic
Can't
check.
hear you, homie.
No.
Sorry. You're full.
Alright, Chaos, I'm gonna start another one, okay? I need to hear you in the next minute.
Oh, he just messaged. His mic is dead.
Oh, that's alright. You're good. Oh.
Get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. You're done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Bro, last game go na bro.
Sige.
Battle Royale. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Where we dropping? Oh shit.
Hostile dropping into the area.
Wasn't paying
Watch the
attention.
skies.
Scavenge some gear. Play.
Ah, fuck.
Alright, boys, I'm back. I had to take a phone call. Sorry about that.
Alright. I mean, gulag.
Damn, we got. Did some of us get rocked? Yeah, we did. It's okay. I'm over here and I'm looting it up. There's some.
What?
You're heading back to base.
Dead again.
Your team has the cash. They can pay for your release.
No, you didn't. You did not just. I had you, you motherfucker. Bro, you. Are you serious? I had you. Oh my god, that's the most disappointing thing.
There's 2 in Boneyard. Oh no, there's 3.
Ooh, shit, you got your ass. Fucker. I got you, Snoopy. Alright, I'm back.
Nice.
He was mad. Should I land on you, Green?
It's all clear, man.
I'll land on you. Damn, man, you get hella money.
Base station, bro.
Oh shit.
Man, it's...
Ooh, 1 buck. We got enough. Oh, I found 8 grand. Wow. We can get a loadout. Where do you want to go, over there?
Let's go.
I'm moving that way right now. I'm worried there's guys over there. They're shooting off to the left, but nothing more than that. Ooh, another 1 buck. Oh my god, 5 more grand.
What? Aim.
You good? Oh, that's a team line.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Moving. Xander here if you need equipment.
You gotta move that
Use
way.
the
Did you
rocket
loot him?
launcher.
Oh, you rocket launched his ass?
Yeah.
Alright. Be a little bit quieter. Oh shit. Okay, Alright, I'll buy loadout, you buy both of them back, okay?
Okay.
Go now.
Let's
that's gonna be over
go.
there.
Thank you.
Sending out a UAV.
I'm alive.
Alrighty.
It's time to win.
Good recovery, good recovery. I need a fucking sniper. Let me know if anybody finds a sniper. I could really love one.
You want some?
Sniper bullet?
I have my
Some
ghost. I have
No,
my
No,
he
I'm
doesn't
running ghosts.
have any.
Sniper. Nope. Fucking PPSH. Okie dokie.
I have a ammunition box.
Yeah, alright, let's hold on to that because there's one down there. Oh no, it's destroyed. Never mind. I'm gonna check this building really quick. Y'all stay there. Or not. Yeah, throw that shit down. No loadout, no sniper. Alright. Alright, well we're on the outskirt. You guys want to head to factory right now?
Yeah.
All right, let's
Hello?
move. Let's move into factory right over here.
Moving.
And I don't see anybody. Anybody over there? All right, moving over there now. Going right here first.
Just gonna loot this one. It's not looted yet.
So the time, give me that. Alright, let's go in this building. Move right here.
Moving.
Take that Craig. Anybody, if anybody wants a secondary or a legendary, it's right there.
Right now.
Ooh, sniper. There you go. Can I have it?
Wait for my ghost, bro. I'll give you the sniper.
Sorry, what?
Wait for my ghost. I'll give you the sniper.
Oh, never
Only
mind. We
one?
can probably just go to that loadout.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to that loadout, everyone. Stick together.
Let's go.
Gas is
Orange
moving
box.
in. Use safe zone located.
Here. If you want
Armor
it.
satchel right here.
Not shooting.
Wait, what? Who? Where?
I don't know where it
I
came
have
from.
sniper here if you want.
Oh no, I'm good. I want my own. Alright, I'm going for loadout. Right. Alright, let's move into this building.
Moving.
How many bucks?
Was the door already open, Green?
Yeah. It's already
open.
Yeah.
You're being tracked by an enemy team. Stay sharp.
Bruce.
Primed and waiting.
Where are you shooting at?
The chopper.
The chopper?
Yep.
Oh, there it is. Let me see
Shut
that
up.
building.
The barrage.
Nope, I hit the chopper. An ass over here.
It's right there.
Oh, right there.
Far.
Yeah, I'm about to shoot it at the sky. You'll see. Watch this. Oh, nope, they bailed. Fucking bailed.
Gas is moving.
Okay, gas is moving in. I should hold this place down until we figure out what the next move should be.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Uh-oh.
Is that a guy? Yeah, who's not running Ghost? Anyone?
I'm running ghosts.
I'm running ghost also.
Okay, I'm gonna guess that everyone is running it. That's good.
Oops. I broke a saw move.
Mark the target. Mark the target.
Where are you shooting at? The helicopter still? Oh, I see him.
The one from Gulag, I think.
Damn, I came close.
I'm gonna go over here.
What? You're gonna go over there?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I say let's all move over to green. This spot is a little too much. It's a little too obvious. I'm gonna be up in this building. Green's over there.
There's one over here.
This way.
We got guys.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Where at?
Green ping.
In green?
Yep, green ping. Yep, he's right there.
Enemies in the area.
He's just passed through that orange ping. He's over off to the left now. He's somewhere over here.
Enemies in the area.
Oh, I see him. He's right there.
Enemies in the area.
I'm watching our north.
They're right on that orange red thing.
They're on my
Oh, you
bounty.
saw him? You right there?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh, yep, he's right here. I see him. Oh, got a guy on him. How did he hit me?
Down
How
one.
did he just hit me?
Down two.
Be advised, friendly precision
One side.
airstrike
Down two.
Shit.
Kill both of them.
You down too?
Yeah, echo the them.
Damn, guys. Nice.
They're like surprises.
Where did I
Over
get
here
shot
now.
from? Are they still over by you?
Wipe.
Nice.
Damn.
I'm gonna take their money.
Where?
I think
Oh, they're
that
right
is
where we are.
him.
They were right where we were. That's so funny. I'm so glad.
Oh, there's still someone in here.
Are you kidding?
I'm moving over to blue.
Oh shit! Someone in here. Oh shit! Someone in here. Second floor.
Copy.
No.
What?
You gotta be shitting me.
You got you?
He got me. And then he used the OTS 9, bro. What the fuck?
What about the soup?
Oh shit! Don't let one guy fuck us over here, please.
Nice.
Thank you. Kick his ass. Okay, there should be some money in there.
6 kills.
Dang man, nice. Oh, somebody left. What the hell?
Coming.
Yo, our homie left.
Yeah, he left.
In sunset.
How did you get
my
that?
God.
What the hell? Damn, bro. Should I back us out? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Wanna go for one more game?
Nah, I gotta call it a night, boys. It was nice playing with you, though. I'm sure we'll play again.
GG, man.
GG.
Good game, bro.
Game. Laro ka pa?
Ikaw ba laro ka pa?
Sige. Bet tayo. Ang daming bagong pangalan ah. Panting nga, sino yun? Soviet Onion. Black Supremacy.
Wala ka na bang ma-invite, lads?
Invite ka tayo, mga bagong pangalan eh. Nagpalit ng pangalan, hindi ko alam kung sino.
Ang mga kutsara, ganon.
Ay, ano, ito. Soviet Onion.
Gusto dati.
Ano pangalan mo dati? May invite ka? Invite ka, lads.
Invite kayo kung may invite kayo.
Si Panting ah.
Si Ikong yan.
Si Ikong ba yan? Panting ah. Ang dami pinalitan lahat pangalan ah. Ayun oh. Black Supremacy. Let's go. Oh, I'm the host.
Get yourselves a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Yes.
Watch the skies.
Dalawa. Putang ina.
Okay.
Your teammates in the gulag. If they can find them, redeploy.
Oh shit, one more. Second floor. Pilipino pala tayo lahat, ano? Pilipino ba to? Pilipino ba tayo lahat?
Hindi ko lang din alam, Lord.
Get ready to fight. You're next.
Ilan sila doon? Ilan pa?
You win this fight and you return.
May isa pa sa second floor kanina eh, nakita ko eh. Patay sa akin.
You're up, soldier.
Yan ang yan.
You got your ass kicked in that one.
Malas ako sa gulag.
Your team can still buy you back if they have the cash.
Down isa.
Wala, it's Ikaw. Pante nga.
Break na yan, break na yan. Puta, saan na yun?
Makpo yata eh.
Tatakbo kanina.
Sa kabilang building. Yan, nandyan.
Sa akin, putang inang to. Lakas mag-camp ng hayop, putang inang. Ibang team na naman. Awat sila.
Ako na magulag, umalis dito.
Nice. Swipe.
I'm not dead yet.
Yan na yung bounty.
Hindi ka na magulag ka ba?
Let's hunt.
Pero alam ko meron pang iba eh. Chopper. May nakitang chopper na lumit.
Ano yung screen name mo dati?
Chopper.
Ha?
Ayun, malapit na sila sa atin ah. Ay, puta, gulag.
Wear a vest. Save your chest.
Aid station marked.
Kung meron sa kaliwa mo. Soviet.
Pasugod sila sa atin.
Yan, sinundan ka. Ikutan.
Aid station.
Thank you. O pwedeng bumagsak. Sa loob na ba kami?
Putang ino, dalawa.
Kuha ako ng gamit ko dito. May weapon ba dyan?
Sakyan sa'yo, Green.
Ah.
Aking susasakyan na to ah.
Sasagasan. Ayun, bumaba. What? Tang inang. Ano yun, nakabula ako.
Nice one, nice one.
Meron ba ba?
Wala na. White na.
Dapat
Ba't
tayo,
yung mga
pero wala
kalaban?
nang bala.
Sa loob, marami.
May sasakyan pa.
Wala, white na tal. Kasama nila yun.
Kasama nila.
Vendor marked.
Sa pinagmulan, nakabawi sila yung pumatay sa atin dito, no?
Sila tayo.
Sa amin pala.
Loadout drop inbound.
Bilawang balahan.
Loadout drop inbound.
Uy.
Sighting enemy care.
Hindi na. Stuck na lang ako. Hindi ko magana yung ghost. Nagpapag daw.
Gumagana yung ghost.
Closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Kaya kung nag-UAV yung kalaban, makakita ka.
Ano yung glitch?
Hindi, bug. Bug talaga.
Good cash in.
Ay, sniper kung gusto niyo.
Good cash in.
Lang UAV.
Mine, primed and waiting.
Anong kailangan nyo?
UAV ako.
Good cash in.
Cluster strike na lang.
Saan kaya tayo? Sino magpa-ari na?
Tara.
Enemy supply shoppers inbound. Take them out and secure the cargo.
Palain mo, nabuhay pa ako doon.
UAV overhead. Moving out. Never mind. Gas is moving. Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Salt mine. Lagking.
I'm driving. Don't worry.
Kukunin na rin. Lang.
There, nakuha na.
Ayun na. Punta sa atin. Pwede natin yung dun yun.
Ay!
Bounty target is down. Well done. Most wanted target neutralized. Well done.
Patay ka ba?
Pindot ko yung ano.
Ganda ng baril nito eh.
May buy station dyan, di ba?
SMG marked.
Pili na tayo ng selfie natin.
Kunin na natin ito ari para ko.
Sinong walang self pang bili ng selfie? Parang kayo lahat.
Tal.
Oh.
Touch that and I'll kill you.
Kaya ko UAV.
UAV rin ako.
Requesting recon. Looking for prey.
Entering the AO.
Meron dito.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Tingnan nyo, may nagkakamnaya dito sa Juan Harry.
Helo located. I'm moving.
Tapper yun.
Be advised, UAV is being overruled. RTB for resupply.
Mukhang wala pa naman dito sa Harry.
Bounty. Take the bounty.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Most wanted ulit ang bounty natin. Sige yung airstrike kaya. Kung may pera.
Friendly precision
Pabili
airstrike
na ako.
inbound.
Meron.
May isang airstrike ako.
Nanangatakas yan.
Marked target. Rip them up.
This is loader 2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike away.
Uy!
What?
Closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Apat sila, apat.
Your teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy. Enemy UAV overhead.
That baited, boy.
Apat sila?
Oh, apat.
Ay na, takbo na ako.
Yan.
Bote.
Ang bilis ng labi doon.
Umabog ka, pucha.
Hindi siya makagalaw doon.
Ang bilis ng labi, oh.
Out of the way. Wheels mine.
Good na ba dyan?
Stupid na. Mabash ko yung hindi ko kanila. Ano?
Assault rifle here.
Ay, binuhay nila yung isa. Bunker kaya tayo.
Ay, saan natin pinatay ang bounty kanina? Yun, di ba?
Vendor marked.
Magamit yun eh. Punta
Basta isa.
Contract time expired. We lost the target. Out of the way. Wheel is mine.
Tara na. Pwede na buhayin siya na. Black Supremacy. Pakidrop na lang yung pera mo dyan, Lods, pag ano, sa ere.
Ito, Lods. Ayan, drone ako, Lods.
Heading this way.
Kita mo, Lods?
Wala.
Doon up dyan.
Oh, may tao.
Oh, tayo na.
Ano buhay niya? Buong buhay niya. Tatlo sila.
Akyat yung mga dito.
Kan na-detect ang ano.
decide to break a few more rules, then I'll watch
Ilan
while
yun?
you bleed out.
The whole team yata. The whole team.
Doon, dalawa.
Ayun ah.
Doon pa dalawa dito. Ay, nandito.
Moving position. Movement. Movement.
Nice.
Meron pa isa.
Saan pa nasa?
Patay mo na yung piniping ko kanina. Yung buffalo green. Yung skin.
Meron pa.
Nice.
Nice.
Everyone's safe. Pity.
That's kill.
Armor's here.
Wala tayong pera.
Kaya nga eh. Victims na lang.
Please maabutan ng tao na yun.
Ayun na. Dito na sila.
I'm moving.
Uy, galing naman nun. Uy. Huh?
Pantay ko yung isang hagdanan dito ah.
What?
Waypoint.
Basag isa. Putang ina nun.
Pagka mo na makipaglaban, maubos ng tong armor.
Kayan.
Down isa. Down dalawa. Para isa.
Sa ilalim natin.
Ang galing naman ng hayop na yun. Pa-variable zoom to.
Unless you can see the safe zone.
Tayo dito pre.
Sa baba.
Dito rata itong sa dito tal. Down ko isa.
Uy!
Uy!
Cheater nga. Cheater.
Cheater ba yan? Spectate pa.
Hindi. Taas sa level niya. Galing lang siya mag-snipe.
Right, I'm going.
Diba? May wall.
Hindi mo taas sa level niya.
Small caliber here.
Small caliber rounds here.
Oh, man.
Oh my.
Oh, patay.
Toby to eh. GG na ako tayo. Thank you.
Sige Lods. Ako din, bukas ulit. Sige, Soviet. Bukas ulit.